Hi guys, I'm Guy, your DIY guy, and today we are going to install a 2-gang smart switch from a company called Moes. I got it from AliExpress for around $15. It is Tuya compatible and has ZigBee support. So first, let's unbox it and see what's inside. Some instructions. That's the actual smart switch. As you can see, you press it, it auto goes up. That's the back of it. This is the place in which we are going to connect the wires. A small screw, not sure for what it is used, and 2 screws in order to mount the switch to the wall. First, before installing the switch, we will have to open it. It can be easily done using a simple screwdriver. We just push these 2 holes and then it opens. This part can sit aside, and this is the piece that we are going to install and mount it to the wall. As you can see here on the switch, we have the live, we have L1 out and L3 out. So first we would like to identify the L, which is the live wire, and then we have the 2 wires for the out. And as you can see here, we have 3 wires. I already know which wire is the live one, but I just want to show you how you can check it using simple tester. So the tester, when you put it on the wire, it should make light. And as you can see here, when I touch it, we have light. So I can know that this is the live one. Now this is the other 2 wires are the L out wires, and probably if you don't connect them properly, probably you just have to switch them. It's very important that before connecting the wires, you will cut off the power to the live wire, just to make sure that there will be no accident. So now we can connect the live. I'm just putting the wire into the socket, and then I'm using a screwdriver making sure that it's tight enough so the wires will not be released by mistake. I will connect the first L out. If you mix between the lines, you can always switch between them, between the L outs. So that's the second line. Let's close it. And as you can see here, we have the screws. Before really tightening the screws, I'm going to make sure that the switch is straight. Now that the switch is firmly mounted to the wall, we can close it. We just put the cover of the switch, and then we have to push on the bottom in the two places that we disconnected previously with the screwdriver. And as you can see, the switch is back and turned on and off. Everything seems to be working fine. Let's connect the switch that we just installed with the Smart Life app. I'm launching the app. As you can see, we already have here the Smart Gateway. I'm pressing the Add Device. Now from the list of devices, the first option shows electrical, and we can find here switches. And we would like to select the ZigBee switch. Choosing the ZigBee switch, pressing the smart switch. Now I'm pressing a long press on the switch until the lights start to blink. And when they blink, I press the confirm the indicator is blinking rapidly, pressing the next. And now the app is going to add the device and connect it with the ZigBee router. Okay, as you can see, the device was added successfully. As you can see, the switch appears on the app, and you can control the switch from the app itself. So when I'm pressing the switch, it closes and opens the switch that is mounted on the wall. And when I press the switch on the wall, you can see that the app immediately reacts to it. So I can control the switch both from the app and physically on the wall. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this content, please press the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Have a great day. Goodbye.